Let's talk about some not obvious calculation in SQL in BigQuery. This is super fun, I really like it, and I want to share. Hey, my name is Gala. I'm marketing analyst and founder of Gala Reports, where you can find a lot of templates for Looker Studio. Because I worked a lot in Looker Studio, also I work in Looker, so you can ask me about that. And I have a blog about Google Sheets, Looker Studio, BigQuery, and digital marketing in general. Sorry. So let's come back to BigQuery. Today video is a bit deep, but it's super fun. So I recorded already several videos about BigQuery. What we are doing here. I pull data from my GA4 to BigQuery. I have video about that. Here we have events table. I did some preparation, some work with this events table and saved scheduled query. I have video about this. So every day this query runs and I have this GA4 Gala reports by day source table. That's what we receive from our GA4 data, and this table updates daily basis. And on the previous video, I talked about cumulative sum, and we did summary day per data source. I did summarize total users. And also I mentioned that I use this formula normally for revenue, for average purchase per player, per user, per customer. So this something we can do by customer ID, and find customer lifetime value. But apart of cumulative, I quoted three nice other formulas similar with what we did with sum, and I wanted you to show what can you do, and maybe you will have some ideas for your data analysis and you can find some tips. So it's the same what we did with summary. It looks like this. We can write it in one row. This formula is similar. We do average of total users over. Here almost the same. We do partition by source. It means that we work per each data source separately. Order by date, you see we like 20, 25 like here. Oh, so 1 for here, it means 1 and second day in total 21st. By 21st of June, we had 5 Instagram player users. Then we take row between 6 preceding and current row. So we take 6 rows before and we try to find average users, and it will be our average for last 7 days. So we can run the script and see what we have. Hey, look here, 20 of June, we had 1 player, 1 user. It means that in total we had 1, and average we had 1 because passed only 1 day. Second day we had 4 users. In total it was 5 and passed 2 days. So we 5 divided by 2 days and it is 2.5. Then next day we had more 5 users. In total we had 10, but 10 we divide already by 3 and we get 3.3. This is an average number of users per day last 3 days. It will be 6, but after when 6 days will pass. So we can see average number per last 7 days. This fun. If you have a lot of repeat purchasers, or you do like food delivery, it would be super useful for you. And for sessions, for users as well, it's interesting data. So next row, what we can say here more. In this, so let's write, this is cumulative sum. This is average, no, this is average. This is average last 7 days. And this is share of the day per source. What we do here? Here we take total users by this day and we multiply it by 1 at 100% and divide by sum of total of users over partition by date. What we can see here, let's write it and let's run it and let's see. So this is what we have. We have only one source this day, and here share of this day 100%. Fine. Let's scroll it down. Let's see what we have here more. For example, 24 of July, we had 1 user from Instagram and 1 from Facebook. It means that this day 50% of our users came from Instagram and 50 from Facebook. And the next day we had 4 users from Instagram and 3 from Facebook. It means total we had 7. So we do 4 divided by 7, and here we 3 divided by 7, and we have information that 57% of our users this day came from Instagram. So I think it's super nice. It's not necessary to do by day. We can do it by week. We can do it by data source, not only paid, not only my 27 rows. And you can find a share of your traffic source, like how much big this traffic compared to your whole data. And the last one, what I want to show you today, this is day over day or week over week, etc. difference. Well, what we do here, let's run. Here we had first day we cannot compare with previous day because we don't have information. But 21st of June, we had 4 users, 4 minus 1, before we had 1. So we have 1 or 4 minus 1, we received 3. So day over day for 21 will be we got more 3 users than we had day before. Next day we received 4 users, 1 user more than day before. And then we received 2, that is 3 users less than day before. And it's written by this line of the code. And it's super nice for data analysis as well. So you can see the difference and where are you going. And if you divide it by this row, so you can find the percentage. This is an exact number, but when you have 2 exact numbers, you already can compare the percentage, how change it in percentage. So this is some little tricks and some really nice analytics formulas, scripts in BigQuery. And hope you like it. Hope you had as much fun as I did to do when I found it and when I play around with this. And I think it's super useful. So don't forget this video, subscribe to my channel, and talk to you soon.